This is the punch list on Guru Hub. Can you imagine not having a floor in your bathroom for over 5 years? Just the thought of getting out of the shower every single day and stepping on raw plywood. I don't even like stepping out of the shower onto a cold tile, let alone raw, splintery plywood. That is not good.
Hi, I'm Lizette Andrus. I really would like it if you could fix my floors. We started that project about 5 years ago when I was pregnant with my twins. I was bedridden at 18 weeks. When I was bedridden, I was watching the Property Brothers. That got me through a lot of hours on the bed. Please fix my floors. I would save our marriage if you did it. It's on you.
I'm about to surprise Liza. She has no idea, but she posted saying that she has no floors in her master bathroom, and this has been like this for years. So we're gonna sneak in, we're gonna fix it for her. Hello!
Are you really here to fix my floor?
I hear you have some flooring problems. How are you? I brought Omar and Israel. These guys, we're gonna take care of your problems here. Show me the problem room. What happens when you step out of the shower? It soaks up into the floor?
I have the spongy mats.
Okay, this is no good. You need to actually have proper tile. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna demo out. Looks like you have some linoleum as well in there. We're gonna temporarily pull the toilet out. We're gonna give you some great tile. This is gonna be beautiful when it's done. A lot to do in a short period of time. While we're waiting for the measurements of that, we should have a game of this. What do you think of the tile?
It's beautiful.
I think it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
So we're gonna install it in an offset pattern. A little bit better than the sticky tile that you had.
Yeah.
It's not often that I will hug a complete stranger's toilet. So we'll pull the toilet first if we can. I don't do this for just anybody. I do this because I love you.
Oh
God. Gross. Whew! That's as spicy a meatball. This is not what I call flooring. Lizeth, what should I do with your beautiful old flooring? Demo done. Tile setters in. If we can trim that, so basically our tile will just be a nice clean edge like that. It looks like it'll line up nicely with the wall, and then we'll run all the way through the shower. How does it feel to have a beautiful finished bathroom with a floor?
Oh my gosh, it's such a relief, it's great.
How did you even know that I was doing this?
Oh my gosh, so I saw on Instagram and it said just quick fixes, and I talked to my husband, he's like, you'll never get it. So I just sent him a picture to the email and it's done now.
Your husband is never allowed to question you again. This proves once and for all, husbands, don't ever question your wives. And if you have a punch list item that needs to be fixed, you need to hit us up, use #GuruHub or just post on social. And remember, this is the punch list on Guru Hub.